Welcome to your ultimate destination for honest gadget reviews and the latest tech updates. Here, we explore must-have accessories to help you choose the perfect device. Our goal is simple, clear reviews, real opinions, and no confusion. Everything you need is right here. Are you looking for the top 5 best mirror dash cams in 2026? You are in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a review. This is your tech guide to smarter buying. Stay connected, stay updated, and stay tech smart with us. Thank you. Number 1. The WOLFBOX G840S 12-inch 4K mirror dash cam is a powerful all-in-one solution designed to upgrade your driving safety and visibility. Featuring a stunning 12-inch touchscreen mirror, this smart dash cam delivers crystal-clear 4K front recording and 1080p rear camera footage, ensuring every detail on the road is captured with precision. Equipped with advanced night vision technology, the WOLFBOX G840S performs exceptionally well in low-light conditions, giving you confidence during nighttime driving. The built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity allows fast video transfer and easy control through a dedicated mobile app, making playback and downloads quick and convenient. The dual camera system provides a wide-angle front and rear view, reducing blind spots and improving parking safety with an intelligent backup camera display. Its loop recording and G-sensor features automatically save important footage during sudden impacts, offering extra protection when you need it most. Perfect for cars and trucks, the WOLFBOX G840S is a smart investment for drivers who want better security, clearer vision, and modern driving technology in one reliable device. Number 2. Upgrade your driving experience with the WOLFBOX G900 Pro Mirror Dashcam, a premium smart mirror camera designed for safety and clarity. Featuring the advanced 8MP Starvis IMX678 sensor, this dashcam captures stunning front 4K and rear 2.5K resolution videos, ensuring every detail is recorded day or night. The large 12-inch touchscreen mirror provides a wide, clear view, reducing blind spots and improving visibility compared to traditional mirrors. The G900 Pro comes with a 128GB memory card included, so you can start recording immediately without extra purchases. Its intelligent voice control allows hands-free operation, making it safer and more convenient while driving. With loop recording, G-sensor emergency lock, GPS tracking, and enhanced night vision, this dashcam offers complete protection on every journey. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, the WOLFBOX G900 Pro delivers reliability, modern features, and peace of mind. Drive smarter, record clearer, and stay protected with this powerful all-in-one mirror dash camera. Number 3. Upgrade your driving safety with the Pelsee 4K plus 2.5K mirror dash cam, a premium smart mirror camera designed for crystal-clear recording and advanced protection. Featuring a powerful Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 front sensor and IMX335 rear camera. This dashcam captures ultra-sharp 4K front and 2.5K rear footage with excellent detail, even in low-light conditions. The color night vision technology ensures clear recordings at night, helping you stay protected 24/7. The large 12-inch IPS touchscreen mirror provides a wide, glare-free view and easy control of settings. With built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, you can quickly download videos and manage recordings through the mobile app without delays. Advanced ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, features such as lane departure warning and forward collision alerts add an extra layer of driving safety. Loop recording, G-sensor emergency lock, and parking monitoring ensure your vehicle stays protected even when parked. Stylish, smart, and reliable, the Pelsee Mirror Dash Cam is the perfect companion for safer and smarter driving. Number 4. The PORMIDO OEM 2K Rear View Mirror Camera is a smart upgrade for drivers who want safety, clarity, and modern technology in one device. Featuring a large 10-inch full touchscreen display, this mirror dash cam provides a clear and wide view of both front and rear traffic. The 2K high-resolution camera captures sharp, detailed footage, making it easier to read license plates and road signs even at high speeds. This dash cam includes a detached front backup camera, giving you flexible installation options and better viewing angles. With WDR, wide dynamic range technology, the camera automatically balances light exposure to deliver clear video during both bright daylight and low-light night driving. The built-in smart interface allows easy navigation through settings, playback, and recording with simple touch controls. It also supports loop recording and parking monitoring, ensuring your vehicle stays protected even when parked. Whether you want extra driving security or reliable video evidence, the PORMIDO Mirror Dashcam is a practical and advanced choice for modern vehicles. Drive with confidence every day. Number 5. Upgrade your vehicle's safety and recording capability with the AZDOME PG17 Pro 4K plus 2.5K Mirror Dashcam, a powerful all-in-one smart driving companion. Featuring ultra-clear 4K front recording and 2.5K rear resolution, this Mirror Dashcam captures every detail on the road with exceptional clarity. Powered by advanced Starvis 2-night vision technology, it delivers outstanding low-light performance, ensuring clear footage even during night drives. The built-in 5G Wi-Fi allows faster video transfers and smooth app connectivity, making it easy to view, download, and share your recordings instantly. With convenient voice control, you can lock videos, take photos, or start recording without taking your hands off the wheel. The OTA upgrade feature keeps your device updated with the latest improvements, while Parking Assist and 24-hour parking monitoring add an extra layer of protection when your car is parked. The included 128 gigabytes memory card provides ample storage, so you can start recording right away. Sleek, smart, and reliable, the AZDOME PG17 Pro is designed for modern drivers who value security, convenience, and advanced technology.